survival rate than adults? According to the data published by the PubMed Central, the survival rate of children with cancer is significantly increasing over the years and remains higher than the adults. So now you will be thinking the children are still developing their immunity and how come they can be more better survivors than adults? Okay, I will tell you, it's not a luck, it's a physiology. Welcome to my read where you will get a mind-blowing informative content about human body. So generally what happens in cancers due to mutation, the cell grows uncontrollably. It avoids programmed cell death of affected cells, stimulates new blood vessel formation for more nutrient and oxygen, invades basement membrane and spreads other body parts, activates telomerase and allows them to divide infinitely. And it also affects your metabolism and nutrition. Now you can see that how dangerously it's affecting your body. And the same physiology occurs in children. But children are still growing. They have rapid cell division capacity and higher stem cell activity. And this is both boon and bane. Due to high regenerative capacity, they are more prone for genetic mutation that can cause cancer. But boon is, even if they have cancer, their survival chances increases. Children's tissues repairs quicker because of their naturally high cell turnover. Children tolerate better to the chemotherapy and their body can keep up with the healing demands between the treatments. Due to active stem cells, they can generate blood cells faster than adults. Now you would have understood that kids just don't fight the cancer. They bounce back stronger. Now comment down in a section that one word you will use to describe their strength. If you love kids, share this because we spread hope, not fear.